Hey everybody, this is Richard Noto. Yeah, I'm a realtor, home inspector, and notary. Right now we are over at Margaritaville. And I'm just going to be showing you this huge home. It's a 5-bedroom. And I'm just showing you the homes next to it briefly. Okay, so let's go inside and have a look. So if you are interested in a home like this, please do contact me first. That way I could offer you the best incentives available at the time, get you the latest pricing and inventory. And I do get paid from the home builder, so my services to you are free. Or should I say my realtor service? My realtor services are free to you. And please do check out my website at wintergardennew.com, where you can always find homes like this at the bottom of every page if it's on the MLS. So if you are interested in a home like this or any other home in the area, just keep in mind that this home can also be rented out through the resort, but you do have to purchase a furniture package. And there's a few options with that to choose from. Now the home is going to be listed and rented out the same way that someone would take out a room if they were taking a vacation at a standard hotel website. So over here we have a half bath. So I'm just going to continue to the left over here. Now let's take a look at this closet. Oh, this is a walk-in closet. And it comes with the shelving that you see. Now this section over here is very close to the theme parks. Disney isn't far away at all, maybe 15 minutes or so by car. And then SeaWorld and Universal might be about 20 minutes to about 30 minutes. And here's your laundry. And something that I always mention anytime I show this is that the bottom over here is pretty much like a shower. So while we can't see it because the washing machine is on top of it, but under here, in here is a drain. So in the event the washing machine does leak, it's gonna go right down that drain rather than flood the house. Fantastic. And this is the third floor. And you can see we have a loft. And also please check out all the other videos I have of this. I have a driving tour of the community as well as the surrounding roads, so you can see everything that's in the area if you are considering possibly taking a vacation here, or maybe just finding a home that's for an investment property. That'll give you a really nice idea of what the area offers. It really is fantastic. And this over here is a master, as you can see. You got a tub and a shower. And here's your toilet. Oh wow, this is a big closet. I wasn't expecting this. There's a lot of shelves all ready to go. And over here's the balcony. Now you can see over here everything's still in sand and dirt. That's because the landscaping is not completed. Pretty much most of the homes in this section are new. So after this is all done, there's going to be places to walk and grass and everything like that that you could see elsewhere. I just want to show you the view out this window as well. And you can see that the whole area is being prepped for more homes. Now, something about this model that is really nice is the bathrooms that are attached. So the bedrooms have their own private bath. This home just feels so big, having 3 floors. That's where the washing machine was. Or is, should I say. And please don't forget to like, favorite, share, subscribe. Fantastic home over here. You know, I don't think I've seen a model that I hate in this community, although there are like 45 different floor plans and variations combined. So there are a lot. I think I've probably seen at least half of them. Just want to give you another view from the opposite end here. And I do hope that you found this video helpful. Hope everyone has a fantastic day. And I look forward to helping you in your real estate purchase or sale.